Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on installing the Go agent programming language onto your machine. And to start, we'll go to this URL, goapl.atlassian.net/wiki. Here you can find many info, but now we'll go to the big blue download Go button and follow these steps. So at this time, Go requires a very specific version of Java to run. This is due to some problems with native libraries, which we are in the progress of updating. But at this time, the current version requires Java 8 version 251. So in order to install that, we'll go to the link here and scroll down a little bit. This is 261, but we need 251. So let's find my platform, which is Windows 64-bit, and download the file. You might be asked to log in with a free Oracle account for this, so you can just do that, or maybe get it from some other source. So we'll just install this using the default settings. So now we have Java installed, we can go and install Eclipse. This is the development environment in which Eclipse works. Because we use Java 8, can support at most version 2020-06. So if you have this or something older, you can simply use that Eclipse or download a new instance. So we go here, we select again the version for Windows, download it. So any version will work, but the most basic version is the one for Java. And we can just do install. So you can use the default or make your own workspace. I'll use the call here. The next thing we'll do is copy this URL and go to, like it says here, help, install software, add, put some name here, it doesn't matter, and then paste the URL into here, press add, then we get this Go Age programming category, we select it, go next, accept, finish, install anyway, and restart. Then we already did the first 4 steps and step 5 even, because it's restarting. Okay, we can enlarge this. I always enable this button and go to the workbench like this. So now to open the goal mode, we go to Window, Perspective, Open Perspective, Other. And there we can select goal. Now we're in the goal version of Eclipse. I'll go into more details on how to edit goal files, run them, debug them in other videos. But for now, let's just very quickly, to show that it works, go to File, New Goal Example Project. Here I'll select Hello World and run basic Hello World file, which will make me an agent that prints Hello World. So it works and we can use it. I'll put the links to the Go wiki in the description, and if there are any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you.